Facebook's carousel ad format allows you to showcase multiple images or videos within a single ad, each with its own link. This interactive format provides a dynamic and engaging way to tell a story, highlight products, or feature various aspects of your business. Here's a step-by-step guide on how to use Facebook's carousel ad format. 1. Access Facebook Ads Manager. Log in to your Facebook account and navigate to Facebook Ads Manager. If you don't have a business account, create one to access the Ads Manager. 2. Click on Create to start a new campaign. In Ads Manager, click on the Create button to start a new ad campaign. 3. Choose Campaign Objective. Select an objective that aligns with your goals for the carousel ad. Common objectives for carousel ads include traffic, conversions, or catalog sales, depending on your specific objective. 4. Configure ad set. In the ad set level, configure the following. Audience. Define your target audience based on demographics, interests, and behaviors. Tailor your audience to match the characteristics of those who are likely to engage with your carousel ad. Placements. Choose where your ad will appear. For carousel ads, consider using placements on Facebook feeds, Instagram feeds, stories, Audience Network, and Messenger. 5. Set budget and schedule. Define your budget and schedule for the ad campaign. Decide whether you want to set a daily budget or a lifetime budget. Set the duration of the campaign based on your marketing goals. 6. Select carousel ad format. In the ad creative section, choose the carousel format. This option allows you to add multiple cards, images, or videos within a single ad. 7. Add images or videos. Upload the images or videos you want to include in your carousel ad. Each card in the carousel can feature a different image or video. Ensure that your media is high quality and visually appealing. 8. Configure individual cards. For each card in the carousel, configure the following. Headline. Add a headline for each card. This is the text that appears below each image or video. Description. Include a brief description for each card to provide additional context or information. Call to action. CTA. Choose a CTA button for each card, such as Shop Now, Learn More, or Sign Up. 9. Arrange card order. Arrange the order of the cards in the carousel by dragging and dropping them into the desired sequence. The order can impact the flow of your storytelling or the presentation of your products. 10. Include links. Add specific links for each card. Each card can have its own destination link, allowing you to direct users to different pages or products based on their interests. 11. Implement A/B testing. Test different elements within your carousel ad, such as headlines, descriptions, images, or videos, to identify what resonates best with your audience. A/B testing helps you refine your approach based on performance data. 12. Preview your ad. Use the preview feature to see how your carousel ad will appear on different devices. Ensure that each card is visually engaging and that the ad looks compelling on both desktop and mobile. 13. Review and confirm. Review all the details of your carousel ad, including targeting, budget, and creative elements. Once satisfied, click on Confirm to launch your ad campaign. 14. Monitor performance. Regularly check the performance of your carousel ad in Facebook Ads Manager. Monitor metrics such as impressions, clicks, conversions, and return on ad spend, ROAS. Use the data to make adjustments as needed. 15. Engage with audience. Respond to comments and engage with users who interact with your carousel ad. Encourage them to swipe through the cards and explore different aspects of your content. 16. Utilize carousel storytelling. Leverage the carousel format to tell a cohesive story or showcase a sequence of related images or videos. Create a narrative that unfolds as users swipe through the cards. 17. Highlight product features. If you're promoting products, use each card to highlight specific features or variations. Showcasing multiple products in a single ad can increase the likelihood of finding a match with the audience's preferences. 18. Experiment with card types. Carousel ads support various card types, including images, videos, and slideshows. Experiment with different card types to see which format performs best for your goals. 19. Coordinate with landing pages. Ensure that the landing pages or destination URLs align with the content of your carousel ad. Consistency between the ad and the landing page enhances the user experience. 20. Utilize dynamic product ads. If you have an extensive product catalog, consider using dynamic product ads within the carousel format. Dynamic product ads automatically show users products they have viewed or shown interest in. By following these steps, you can create a visually engaging and interactive Facebook carousel ad that effectively communicates your message, tells a story, or showcases a variety of products. Regularly analyze performance metrics and make adjustments to optimize your carousel ad for better engagement and results. So that's it. See you soon.